Today I'm going to tell you how to divide things among different number of people. For example, we can say Gabe likes to draw monsters. He draws 4 monsters with a total of 32 eyes. How many eyes does each monster have? Like this, these are 4 monsters and total eyes are 32. We can say Gabe wants to divide these 32 eyes to 4 monsters. Like he gives 1 to it, 1, 1, 1, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's a long process. How to divide 1 and 1 to each. So it's a long process. So we know that the things are going to be divided among 4 monsters. That means 32 eyes are going to be divided among 4 monsters. So we will write 32 divided by 4. How we will divide 32 by 4? We know the table of 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. We can write like this: 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That means 8 eyes are given to each monster. In the same way, John is working at the library. He has 36 books and 3 shelves, like 1 shelf, 2 shelves, 3 shelves. We want to divide 36 books. That means 36 books, 36 divided by 3. That means, how will you divide? That means we will read table of 3. 3, 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30, 3 11s are 33, and 3 12s are 36. That means 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This means 36 books can be divided on 3 shelves if we put 12 books on each shelf. Next is, a farmer plants 90 ears of corn. If the plants 9 equal rows of corn, how many ears of corn are in each row? Like farmer plants 90 ears of corn. Total 90 ears of corn. He plants 9 equal rows. That means 90 total corns, and each row has 9 corn. So 90 divided by 9. 9 1 is 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6 are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, and 9 10s are 90. So 90 divided by 9 is equal to 10. That means if a farmer plants 90 ears of corn, in each row he plants 9. So how many ears of corn are in each row? 10 ears of corn in each row. Next is, if 24 desks are arranged into 4 equal rows, 24 is total. desk and we are going to divide 24 desk into 4 rows. So that means we are dividing 24 desk into 4 rows. In how many desk will be in each row? That means 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20 and 4 6 are 24. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 rows. 6 desks in each row. Next is if Mitch organizes 27 boxes of juice, that means total is 27, and into 3 equal rows on his table before a birthday party, how many juice boxes will be in each row? There are total 27 boxes and we are going to divide into these boxes into 3 rows, and we have to find how many juice boxes in each row. So table of 3, 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24 and 3 9s are 27. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That means how many juice boxes will be in each row? 9 juice boxes in each row. This way we can divide the things in equal groups.